Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and grounding yourself. This protects you and the card. Once unplugged, check that the GPU power cables are fully seated and that any indicator LEDs are on. Loose 6 or 8 pin connectors are a common cause. Next, gently spin each fan by hand to feel for binding or rough bearings. If the blades don't turn smoothly, dust or a stuck bearing is likely. Do not force anything. Observe what's resisting motion before proceeding. Now boot the system with the simplest configuration, one GPU and no external controllers, so you isolate the problem. Install or update the GPU driver and the manufacturer's utility. These apps control fan curves and can disable fans at low temps. Once done, open the utility and force a fan spin or reset fan profiles to default. If fans still won't spin, reboot into the motherboard BIOS to confirm PCIe slot power settings and that no firmware setting is preventing auxiliary power to the card. Finally, perform targeted physical fixes. Use short bursts of compressed air and a soft brush to clear dust from hub and shroud. Free any debris preventing blade motion. If a fan still resists, replace the fan assembly or the entire shroud. Bearings often fail and require replacement. Make sure to test the GPU with a known good PSU or in another system to rule out power delivery faults. If problems persist, stop and contact the manufacturer with your diagnostic steps. Warranty may cover repair or RMA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.